wrong time there. Oops, but we've started now. Let me just respond to this. Give me 2 seconds, guys. How's everyone doing? Sorry. Done, done, done. Let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. I can't believe I put the wrong time there, like an absolute chop. Hey Tony, what's up? How you doing? Tony, you been good?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I hope you are doing amazing, Tony. How have you been? I wanted to do something now. And I promptly forgot what I wanted to do, but it is what it is, so let's just... let's proceed now. Back up to midnight, potentially. Let's see if we're gonna get a back up to midnight situation going on here. Do I have everything open? I think I actually have everything open for a change, which is kind of weird for me. Okay. I think that's good. That's all I had to do. Cool. Awesome stuff. The doggy's funny. Thanks, chick. Chilling like Bob Dylan. Oh, damn, wait. Does that mean you're having a real good time? Oh, man. Oh, sorry. Hey, go have fun. How you doing? This might be a bear trap market. Be careful. Tony, I was thinking the same thing. I think this might go back up to midnight. Let's see. For anyone that missed it, this happened. Look at this absolute BS. Like, ticked and down for winning trade. So that's fun. That's lots of fun. Hey Lucas, how you doing? ICT entry point. And I'm in. Are you in it? Whoop whoop. That's awesome. Well done. Okay. Ooh, let's mark out. To be fair, I know that this is London high. Right by them equalize, so I'm just gonna mark it slightly below it. This is London high as well. London high has been taken out. There's still equal lows below there. We're gonna now just continue. What's up, Vines? How you doing? The numbers this morning came out and weren't that good. No, I'm sorry. That's not good though. What? Why am I saying I'm sorry? I think I'm sorry for the market. Maybe that's it. I didn't go to the stables today, but yes. Also, I mean, Bob, to be fair, it is Friday. If Friday is not a time for pizza and beer, I don't know when else is the best time for pizza and beer. Let's just be real. What is the selling and buying bar? The bar that shows you the selling and buying area? Or is it where you buy drinks? No, I'm kidding, I'm messing with you. Hey Frankie Brandon, how you doing? No. I took 2 trades this morning, both were losses. The one the second one literally top ticked me to go back down for a win. So that was fun. That was so much fun for me, but it is what it is. Hey Rick Bex, how you doing? 80% accurate, we know what the other 20% are. Just it is what it is, right? Right, basically. watching like a hawk this morning. Let's... Well, Bob, I mean, I've like missed you the whole week, so that's fine. I'm happy with that. What's that? To be fair, I didn't know people could follow people on TradingView. Is that a thing? I got this notification that Hammer followed me on TradingView, and I was like, eh. I didn't know that was a thing. Shout out to Hammer though, thanks. I appreciate it. I don't know what it means, but thanks. Don't you blame your bad trades. I will never blame my bad trades on anyone. It is my decision to listen to people. So, you know. Hey Gapper, what's up? I'm from India, please play the Run It Up song, please a bit. I don't know what that is. But anyways. Your pet pigeon died. PS5. What? Did you just say your pet pigeon died? I'm so sorry, that kind of sucks. Sorry about that. Mark that, mark that, mark that. Okay, then what I want to quickly do, let's go back and check 4 hour. Okay, 4 hours going. Do you think we're gonna hit all the way back down? This is quite nice. Would want to go around 726. Okay, 726 is a goodie. 4 hour, let's check the 1 hour. Oh, those equal highs are so good though. Okay, change character, break a structure. Let's do this, I guess. Here. Down, down, down we go. Likes to be in balance. There's not a lot of balance going on right here, right now. 15 minutes. I mean, there's some balance. Not a lot, not on the high time frames. 15, there's a lot of unmitigated stuff around here. This could come back up to this area. Actually. Back up to around here. 24944. Cool. And 5 minutes. Some unmitigated fair value gaps up here, but otherwise this could just solidly just continue going back down. When in doubt, zoom out, right people? And 1 minute. Looks like we are ready to rumble. Okay, let's rumble on then. I guess, what a weird thing to say, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna rumble on. I go along when market opens, entry above Bob level. Nice. Okay, damn. I know that feeling all too well. I'm so bearish right now. Even over the past 2 to 3 days with this upside liquidity sweep, the higher time frames are just too bearish to ignore. Agreed. Is this account in Trader? Unfortunately not. This is still the previous account I had with Top 1 Futures. Yeah, so I got funded with Top 1 Futures, so I'm gonna carry on the funded account. It would be nice. It would be nice. This is probably one of the worst weeks I've had. Just on the charts and just in general. Just not a great week. But it's okay, right? It's okay. Things happen. Losing streaks happen. It's just that you gotta keep on keeping on, right? Beep, 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 beep. I wanted to see something. In 8 minutes we go up. Socket Mark, what's up? Should probably be going overboard on the expressway. Oh my gosh, liar, pants on fire. It's definitely not. It's currently trading in between 2 SSLs. Okay. Marty loves it. I'm glad. Trader Logic Essay. Oh, what's up? How you doing? My entry above Bob level TP and view app. Hey David Tech. How are you? How you doing, bud? It's only money. You're right. It is only money. At the end of the day, it is what it is, right? Because then I was having a bit of a debate with Ashley, right, Bob? Because he's really good at, just like you. He's really good at being like, no, you got this, chill. I was like, Ash, help, brain, help. So he helped, but then he said something and now I'm a little bit confused. Well, not conflicted rather. He said like, you know, maybe size down until you got the groove going again. And I was like, valid, but what if I now size down and then it goes back to what I used to do where I would just size down, but then the winners obviously don't make up for the losses because you're only making back what you lost. But at the end of the day, that's also not how you should be thinking. You should be thinking, I have this amount to lose today. Once that's lost, call it. David, I'm okay. Did you take these losses yesterday? Because I thought you were over 50k just this week. Oh, Gabber X, just this week in general has been disgusting. Disgusting. I think I've had one win this week. Just to give you an idea. I'll trade a logic. I'm okay. I'm okay. Can't complain. Hey Danny, how you doing? Amazing things? Might just take a break. I'm really surprised this Jan was good, unlike Feb. Let's see. If something amazing pops up, I have a few things to be looking out for. So if something amazing pops up, then yeah, I'm gonna maybe... Let's see. Stick to your rules. Minecraft House, what's up? How you doing? David Tech, you have a YouTube channel? David D Tech, sorry, my bad. I'm checking it out now because, well, I can. Oh, you do too. Hi. That's really cool. I haven't actually seen any of your videos. Sorry if that's bad. Apologies if that's bad. Oh, I see you use AI. That's interesting. How does it work out for you? I'm assuming well. Right, I'm going to assume well. Here we go. Let's see. We got 2 minutes to go before New York Open. Let's see how this goes. It happened. Not exactly, yeah, but that's why. Can you guys tell I'm in a much better frame of mind today than I was yesterday? Much better. Much better. Ichimalin, how are you doing? I think we got a long coming. Oh, it makes me so nervous when so many people agree. Like that, it sounds really bad, but when a lot of people are going, yeah, I think this is it, I go, uh-oh. Not that big time, just sell options against your position. My advice, if you have the money, sell another valuation somewhere. Oh, I might look into it. Minecraft House, Nasdaq? Yes, I'm trading Nasdaq. Aw, cheers, Brandon. Thank you for, thanks for hopping on to say hi. Have to make money for ice cream. Heck yeah, ice cream, guys. It's the weekend. Ice cream. Being on toast, Jacob Zuma passed away. No, wait, did he? I feel like you're talking... Rubbish. Rubbish. Did Jacob Zuma pass away? I'm now gonna Google that because I no ways. Did... No, he did not. Liar, liar, pants. I even had to go check that. I was like, nuh-uh. Hey, Muddy, why? I've been watching your channel for a while. Great. Oh, well, thank you. Yeah. Thanks for joining. Also, whoa. Sorry. Attention. Holy what? in the wick is that? Alrighty then. Aww. Shout out to David Tech. You know what this means, David? Do you know what this means? I don't know if you know if you know what this means. The herd is often wrong. Exactly. You have 1 minute lag here in Chicago. No, used to work at Pepsi. Really? Hi, Mom. All or nothing. What's up, young one? Look at Discord. I'll have a look. Whoop whoop. Okay, 9:30 a.m. open. Let's do this. So, David Tech, I'm assuming you use AI. How is it? Right? What type of AI do you use? I'm genuinely curious. I don't know if... I'm like a grandma. If Solly was here, he would be like, yes, you are. But still, I'm like a grandma. I'm not really great when it comes to technology and things like that, but I'm curious. Okay, Dom says look at... Oh, there we go. Looked at it. Interesting. You're really keen on longs today, Dom. I have to cover 2 stop losses this morning. Ah, samesies, me and you, Dom, we got this. We are in this together. We're all in this together. That was so lame. That was not okay.
Emotional damage.
It's okay. We're gonna just continue. We're gonna just keep on keeping on. Okay, so there's the 9:30 a.m. open. Let's see, a bit of a... Okay. Now I'm watching. Dom, do you actually use these bob levels out of curiosity or meh? Alright, then cruise it back down. To be fair, I did start off bearish. Nope, I lied. Bullish. Ooh, English is starting beautifully today, people. Okay, let's not jump the gun and be like, yeah, this is definitely gonna be the first presented fair value gap. Been there, done that. Let's not make that mistake again. But the first presented potentially right by the 9:30 is not bad. So Dom, you're going back up to VWAP? That's a really good point of interest. Got my nap ins. Not so moody now. That's good. A relative equal high? Yes, of course I do. It's right by London Eye. Nope, I lied. No, I didn't lie. There's these relative equal highs. Oh, yeah. Yes, looks like so. There's these ones right here. Those are really good. Then there's these equal highs. Let me mark this one out. Aha! We do have a first presented. Look at it go. Okay, first presented. Pretty decent rejection off of that. Damn. Curiosity. Okay, this is pure curiosity. Let's see how it responds here. Looks like she wants to head back up to the midnight open. Hit the like. Oh, thank you. It's going well. Thanks for asking. The AI strategies did 102% last year. Only trade crypto systematically, though don't manually trade. Looking to diversify with this year. Well, David Tick, you know, if you want to test with some futures, 'tis the place to be. I'm getting weirder. I'm so sorry, guys. I promise I'm normal. I'm just gonna blame it on the fact that it's Friday. I feel like that's a valid thing to blame it on. using my strategy, but Bob level is very helpful. There we go. Buy after retest. Wisdom. Muddy, that's accurate, but still. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Can't die on a live stream. That's embarrassing. How did I have this marked out? There. Okay, sellers are still coming into play. Let's see how this retest goes. Don't like how it did not respect the first presented that well. Here's the 5-minute candle. Nope, wrong thing. Okay. Oh, wow. Drew that like a chopstick, chopstick, chopstick. Drew that like a chopstick. 5-minute. Sure, this is quite a big battle going on around here right now. Are the buyers finally gonna win? It looks like the buyers are about to win and then the sellers just go, ah, nope. Look at this now, potentially perfect entry. Yeah. Is it though? Is it though? Is it though? Wait for confirmation. Oh, that's what we all love for. Oh, thanks, Minecraft House. How you doing? Minecraft House, I'm going to take a bit of a guess here. You play Minecraft? What Australian state am I from? South Africa. How long have I been trading? Oh, David D-Tech, less than 11 months. Yeah, April will be a year. I've been trading for 11 months now. Yeah, Ahmadi, it's fine. People can take it or leave it. Hourly time frame Monday, so you utilize this resistance. I will sell ES. Ooh, okay, trade logic. Trade logic. With hourly, do you scalp? Do you, what's your go-to? Retest. Push. Aha. Sorry, I'm watching something. I'm intrigued by something. I may or may not have been flooded with a lot of information before hopping on the New York stream, which is a good and bad thing. Let's find out. Okay, come on, buyers. Buyers are starting to come into the party. Never mind. Still struggling to break. Rah. Oh, no. I'm pretty sure he's more upset with me than he is with you. I think I followed you on Trading Me. How you did? I didn't know that was a thing you could do, by the way. Here comes that possible entry long. Weird, why? What's wrong with technical analysis? Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, so there would have been a partial. But like I said, I'm kind of forward tested. I see what I see. Hey, so what's up? Sure, this do be struggling. Let's see how it reacts to the first presented again here. What time is it? Wait. Is there news today? You were asleep at the wheel and you said, no, Bob. I said I'm forward testing. I'm watching this carefully, and then I might start placing little ones here and there. That sounds weird. Placing singles. Kidding. PPI. Ooh, Lulu at 10.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hey Tariq, what's up? How you doing? Oh, okay, good. Morning fam and gorgeous cheese. What's up, Antonio? How you doing? What pair is this? This is the Nasdaq futures. Oh, what's up? Loving a shorty here. Okay, we have someone who's not so keen on bulls. Interesting. Starting to look like an M formation. 1, 2, 3. What's the SMT? There's a bit of SMT here. Not much, but a little bit. Okay. Let's watch and see what we get. I see this first presenter is being respected. Not at all. Good, love you. Oh, David, you take. I feel bad now. Actually, wait. Let me. Do you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to subscribe. Give me a second. Sorry. Like, I feel rude for not. Disgusting. What's wrong with me? I'm sorry. Did you just say learn from me? There we go. David, out of curiosity, right? I'm assuming you make decent amounts? I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, obviously. There we go. Subbed. And going back down. Okay. Okay, to be fair, this would have been a partial. Would have gone and then into there. Interesting, and then back down. So this wouldn't have been a loss, it would have been a partial and then break even. Good to know. See how it reacts here. Do you think this is kind of sitting and waiting for news? Probably. I'm assuming news is at 10. Everything feels like it's at 10. That's a huge stop loss. Really? That's very interesting. Do you know how often I'm told that your stop loss is too small? Talked about that 900 area weeks ago. Yep. Well, not weeks ago. What do you mean? Last week. Is this gold futures? Hey, Cammy, no, sorry, Nasdaq futures. Wow. How sweet of you. Anyways. Trader Logic, I'm from Durban, SA. You KZN, yeah. David, do you stream? Or do you just post videos? Sorry, I'm not actually sure. Ayo, Nuxie! How you been, Nux? Long time no see. Hope you're doing amazing. Amazing. Okay, now I don't want to... Sugar honey iced tea. I don't want to be anything. Be anything. Who's that person that teaches English? Maybe I need to, yeah. Maybe I need to learn English again at my ripe old age of 27. Order shorty. David, do I stream daily? Yes, I do. I stream daily every day, both London and New York session. So I just heard like a what just happened? I just heard like a bark, but it's not my dog that barked. It sounded like a little dog bark. That was very weird. Anyway, sorry. The voices. Done for the day. Antonio, you're done for the day? I honestly couldn't imagine a smaller stop loss. I challenge you to turn that 500 into 100 within a week. Within a week? Tot, you crazy. I'm not near that level yet. I appreciate that you guys think I am. I really do. I really appreciate that you guys think I am. Maybe one day when I'm that good. See, I'm putting it out there into the universe. One day I will just be that good. Maybe one day when I'm that good, I will be able to. I am not at that level yet. I'm not even going to pretend like I'm at that level yet. I'm still learning every day. I'm learning something new. Like I said, I was having multiple conversations on Discord before I hopped on here. learning a bit more about like the volume profiles. Yes, I said profiles. Volume profiles, also looking at the 5-minute retest with regards to Bob. You know, like I said, a little bit of information overload. I'm gonna have some serious backtesting this weekend. Maybe when I get back from my horse show tomorrow, then I might have to do some serious backtesting. Let's see. Especially because I have a feeling this weekend's going to be raining. Sure. Oh no, please don't be sad, price action today. Please don't be sad, price action today. Oh, it did just take out relative equal lows. Interesting. I did not mark those out. Yeah, chopstick. Anyways. Relative equal lows and now... swoosh. Back up to the buy. 946. Dom, did it take you out? Not me waking up, just nice. Noxy. Schizophrenia kicking in. Yeah, you know how it goes. What's my strategy? Can be sweet and simply, it's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. That's a pretty simple and basic term to describe it as. That would take a lot of trades in 1 week, $200 a trade. Well, the wins would be 400, but yeah. Nox. What time frame am I on? Currently, right now, I'm on the 1 minute, which I know is quite noisy and a lot of people absolutely hate the 1 minute, but I am currently on the 1 minute time frame. No, interesting. So this is now the 15-minute range. It hasn't really moved out of this range. You know what that means? Hands off. Just hands off. Simple, you just need to enter into many deals with banks buying gold. Are you an investor? Cheers, David D. Thanks for hopping on. Shout out to David D. Go check out his channel. I have not watched the videos yet, but they look super interesting. So yes, go check that out for me. Oliver, 1 minute hate is unjustified as hell. Hilarious. Yes, I prefer scalping instead of that, 100%. I definitely prefer scalping. OTT price action so weird today. OTT, did you see the absolute BS that happened with this trade? As Solly would say, it's a Maya special. Got wicked out, not even ticked out, and then down. Oh well. Again, correct idea, just. I'm assuming Hammer sent this. Hammer, can I read this message? Is it safe? Okay, let me not, just in case it's not safe to read on live. Why not trade hedging? I'm just not a hedge trader. I'm a scalper and I trade on the futures and yeah, I enjoy it. Yep. Oh my goodness. Everything I say is safe. Okay, cool. Just checking. Damn, all them haters be out today. Do y'all know what you got?
Emotional damage.
That's what you guys got. Okay, y'all need to take a breathe. Okay, it's Hammer says it's safe. Let's see. What does Hammer say? Oh, you sent it 5 minutes ago. Ooh, that's cool. Sorry, I got way too excited about that. That was very that was very schoolgirl of me. Woo! Let's do that one. Cool. I love it. Thanks, Hammer. I did not know this was actually a thing that you could do on TradingView. You can follow people. Very, very cool. Dom, did it wick you out and then go straight to your TP? If that is the case, that is so rude. then bob to bob beautifully. Just took out the sell side liquidity though. Interesting. Huh. That hurts when it wicks you out, then goes to TP right after. So consider trading with a slightly larger stop loss because it really wicks it just many times. Yeah. We are the change. What's up? Price action horrible, nothing clear. Yep. Yep, you are not wrong. Let's see what. Good grief. Hands. Okay, especially 9 minutes until news. 9 minutes until news, so there's no point in actually looking until after that happens, right? Sits and waits. What? You have deleted 1 minute in your chart. What? What does it mean? So, Maria even said with this one, theoretically, I made a mistake. So with this one here, I actually made a boo-boo. I used this range. This was actually the range I should have used. So it would have actually wicked in and gone down. I mean, it would have taken a while, but I used the incorrect range. Yeah, so that is actually on me. That's my bad. I was chasing where I should have just stuck with it, and them rules say if this didn't take up 50% of this, which it did not, I should have carried on with that range, and it actually would have wicked me in and then gone down. So that's why it was my bad. See, exactly. Hey Vaza, what's up? How you doing? 2 hours ago, there was very strong liquidity. Did you profit from it or not? No. 2 hours ago? I wasn't on the charts 2 hours ago. What's the news? Nothing. Apparently it's PPI. Yeah? Just many times for a lesson. True. Well, like you've seen, yeah, Muddy, I get yelled at that apparently it's too big. Oh, Vaz, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Amron? Did I get that correct? What's up? Hope you're having a trade. Well, not right now, no. Because this price action sucks right now. Was it? I thought that it was now. Looking at review, thanks for watching. One said PPI was coming up. Oh, maybe it's paused. Sorry, maybe. True. Okay, cool. Sorted. Sorry. It's just quickly reading what's happening. Okay, so it popped off of VWAP. Is it now going to go back into first presented? Are we going to head back to midnight? We could be headed back to midnight. Let's see. Full range. See it here. Yeah, that's not ideal. Cool. Don't like it. Let's go. No risk, no Ferrari. Yeah, but you see, I don't want a Ferrari. Trading micros. Charlie, what's up? Thanks, Ninja. Sorry, I thought it was now. So there's no news? It moved level to level, not before ripping stop losses first. Yeah, it was a little bit rude, wasn't it? It did. I was watching. I was watching the absolute audacity. It had to come out, take out these relative equal lows first before going. Yeah, it's VWAP. Oliver? No risks, no horse. Ah, damn, Robocop! How dare you want a pink Bugatti? You're right, I want a pink Bugatti and all the horses. Tot, what's my dream car? I'm gonna start calling you Jelly Tot just because it's cute. Anyways, what's my dream car? Just a Bucky, or sorry, what? Pickup? Is that what people call? Anyways, just a car that can tow a horse box, and then I need to get a dream horse box to be a matching set. Maybe I can make that pink. Can you imagine rolling up in like this pink Bucky with a pink horse box? Oh, that would be so funny. No risk management, no money for fancy cars. There we go, Nkululu. Tell him. But no news that affected Enki, man. Well, then why does it look so yucky? SMT was created, tapped into VWAP, now it's kind of going down. Let's see if it continues back down. This might have to be a hands off until it picks a direction. What is your dream horse? I have my dream horse. Shame he's such a sweetie pie. That's a really good wickle for Bob level. This first presented stopped being... I'm not even going to count this first presented as significant anymore. It's not being respected at all. It's a really good wick. So, my full range was here. So I would have wicked in. Let's see if this would have worked out. I'm not... Seriously? Seriously? Is it just because it's Friday? This best bet does not have a high impact. It's about 2% a week. Yeah, of course. With how much? Okay, Martin, I'm assuming... Martin, are you new to trading? Do you trade prop firms? My dream is to meet you in person. Damn, Trader Logic, that was smooth. My dream car is one that gets me from point A to point B safely. I hear that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My dream car is a farm. Well, you're gonna need a Bucky on the farm. Or pickup, sorry. We call it Buckies here in South Africa. You're gonna need a Bucky on the farm. Right. The sellers don't have volume. Noxy? That being said though, Nox, you can see that they're not letting the buyers take over either. You have a look at the price action, these giant wicks to the top. The sellers aren't letting the buyers take control either. Is this Mojo? It's causing a Mojo Jojo on ES, just by the way. Friday price action. Last day to pass to see what this peer is nodded. I scalped my 80 points and I'm done. Hopper for week now. A pink Bugatti can do that safely. Can pull a horse box. OTT? Are you crazy? Damn, Muddy, well done. Whoop whoop. I think Andrew Ted is also a trader and has a lot of cars from trading. I think so. That name sounds familiar. Trader Logic. I'm from Durban. Wall Street shouting for break buying. Trader Logic. You're trying to get where I live out of me. Nice try. Wall Street shouting for break buying and staying in top. Already have that in farm, but it's only 5 acres, not enough. Use don't mind. I'll get a pink Bugatti. We can try it. Deal OTT. Let's do it. So you have the pink Bugatti, I'll have the pink Bucky with a pink horse box. It'll look awesome. So is it gonna be like, what type of pink though, OTT? We haven't even discussed this. Is it gonna be like chrome pink? Or like a pastel pink? Like you're gonna have to be a little bit more specific. Hey, look at it go. I'll become profitable. The 1 hour chart looks like a long setup. I switched recently from Bitcoin to Nasdaq. Ooh, and Diego, how are you finding it? That's okay. Don't worry, Nox, it is confusing. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. But I did say here, the second it touched this bob level, I said this is going to be good. Bob to bob. Was indeed bob to bob. Look at it go. Hello, it switched way earlier. Really? That's interesting. So just, I don't want to say easier. Easier doesn't, yeah, easier doesn't sound good. The sellers might give up the fight eventually and rock. Is that true? Bright pink. I'll have a pink Toyota. Reliable. Look at the time to right in the hour it goes. Thanks, Bob. And as I saw it, I said, oop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Sorry. Now that my opinion is way more reliable. Yeah, and correct me if I'm wrong, but is the spread a little bit better? Chrome pink. I'm colorblind, so all pinks are pink. Colorblind shouldn't affect pink though. I'll spray paint my work. Do it, Muddy. Do it, do it. Trading itself isn't easy. No, it's not. There we go. Back to midnight, right? Sorry, I'm just... yeah. I'm laughing at the fact that it's been working out beautifully on all the trades I have not taken. And all the trades I do take, it gives me the middle finger. That was a 2.66R. Where would you have put stop loss, Bob? I've been in this long and just moved at break even. This is some nice deep. Where did you get in, OTT? I do retest on Fair Value Gap and it's working great. Ah, same these. Me and you are gonna be buds. Hey. Abby. Hey, Altman, what's up? What? No, it's not. Do we have different midnight opens? How do we have different midnight opens? That makes no sense. Here's midnight. Like I've even marked it midnight. What? Bob? Now I'm confused. I have mine at 023. Gotcha, next Bob. 2k up this week on Nasdaq. 8 trades, 2 losses. I'm done this week. Nice, Diego. Brag much. I'm having the worst week of trading I think I've had in a very long time. Still better than that Friday OTT, to be fair. It's better than that Friday. It's trapped betwixt those two. Fun fact, I'm colorblind, right? Yes, I can see pink, but I can really tell what type of pink it is. That's interesting. What broker? So I'm currently using Top 1 Futures, but guys, Tradeify is having a sale for... I nearly swore. Don't swear. Don't swear, Maya. Be a good person. Just get rid of that, because that's going to make you upset. Get rid of this, that's also going to make you upset. Leave it alone, wait for it to break above VWAP. Okay, moving on. But I'm using EST times. Bob? I'm confused. I'm using EST times. Sorry. Tradify is having a sale that ends tomorrow. 30% off everything. You can use my code TEACHMAYA. Violin is also having a 75% discount sale, whatever you want to call it. Samesies, you can use my code. All caps, no gaps. There we go. I'll pin it. Depop, I'm now thoroughly confused. If you have a bad week, next week is going to be better. I love the optimism. 939 break even, 959 just to the partial coming break even. I'm okay with it. I don't know, try to listen to it. What time tomorrow? Because it's tomorrow for me now. What did I say about tomorrow? Shoot, what did I say? Ah, happy Saturday to you then, Muddy Damn. Hey, Amron. Teach me. Well, you're more than welcome to hit me up in Discord. That sounds weird, but yeah. More than welcome to pop me a message on Discord. I'll help where I can. Oh, it just says closed on the 28th. Or ends on the 28th. So I'm assuming actually closer to midnight. Probably EST time. Everyone tends to use EST time. Okay, broke above. Decent continuation. Do not chase, but this is pretty decent. Let's see. It's gonna run away. Yep. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Much better for an entry though. Brother Bean, stop running away without me. That's so mean. Wait, come back. I wasn't ready. Oh, nearly listened. Back into VWAP. Fair value gap. No. Okay. To the auto block. I'm gonna go back up to this. Okay, right by where that is. That's quite good. Is it gonna come back this far though? That is the next question. Hey Funhouse, what's up? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, OTT. Well, yes, I agree with you. This week has sucked. But there's always next week. And then after that, there's another week. And then after that, another week. Until the inevitability of death. I'm kidding, that was very dark. Today, so for those that love crypto, go win some prizes. Ninja, I saw that as well. Does anyone here trade crypto? I'm from Portugal. I don't know anyone of my age doing trading. I'm 23. Oh, what's up? I'm half Portuguese. Oh no. Retest and no. Muddy, what the bullish reaction I'm getting is because NQE has failed to take Tuesday low and trying to get London high by managing the trade at each liquidity high. Reading is fundamental, damn Bob. Why not wait for retest, then entry? You mean the retest of the fair value gap? Like I have it set up there for a buy? Is that what you mean, boy art? Not really tell a bit too emotional, just take my partial and be content with it. Lock, can you? No, you probably can't lock yourself out. I was gonna say lock yourself out. I don't know if you can though. This price action is running away like my hair away from my... And just like that, we have got a Bob quote. Where's my notes? Here's my notes. Ah, I love it. Damn, didn't come in a retest. No. Didn't even retest into that. Good respect off of the Bob level though, damn, look at it go. Huh. That's a really good respect off of that Bob level. Supposed to be mitigating slightly. I need Vapor to teach me swear words in Spanish. They sound cool. Swear words in Afrikaans do not sound cool. And, oh, I mean, I can't swear, so it's fine. More like I won't swear on live, because that's mean, and that's bad. Day trader, not every day trader, you are correct. Thomas, did I see? I read it now, sorry, Tom. I saw it. Thomas, I saw it now. You're not losing, just donating to a little company called Nasdaq. Yeah, it's an itty bitty company, right? All the support helps make a difference. I am helping the economy. I'm from the Caribbean. I'm looking for people trading in this area. I need help getting started. Hey, Henrik, what do you need help getting started with? Like getting set up with a like a broker, a prop firm? Yeah. What you looking for? Good retest there. If anyone is curious, this is what it looks like. Diego, why? Well, we know where it's headed next. I'll become profitable. I hear mentioned Bob level. What is that? Oh, that's some secret sauce. That's what that is. It's some secret salty stuff. I'm so ready for Pep 2 over. Honestly, can't. Same. Guys, if this tags in and it's a loss, I'm actually done for the day. My rule is 3 losses and done. Wait, actually, speaking of, I want to actually mitigate this even. Why? Why can this never freaking modify the damn order? It makes no sense. I am modifying it a little bit just to help. Just with regards, I was having a discussion with OTT, just with that little bit of confidence that I have lost over this past week. Shoot. 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 It's just liquidity sweeps are us. The problem is that we don't really have to do with. Henrik, that doesn't. Was that your salsa jiggle, Bob? What? Oh, the secret sauce. Yeah. Do you not like it? Secret sauce for the win. Gotta love secret sauce. In my 4 years of trading, I think the most important is going to demo and trying random. What? So, okay, so Diego, interesting. So you've been trading for 4 years. Anyways, so you've been trading for 4 years. How long did it take you to become profitable? Also, you're 23. You're so young. Damn. And search a strategy that goes with the psychology of time you have to give to trade, in my opinion. True, that's right. All strategies work, it just depends on the individual trader. That's exactly correct. There's no such thing as a losing trade. It's just if it works with you or it doesn't. That's it. Or if it makes sense to you or doesn't. Or if it's quick enough for you or if it's slow, you know. There's always different things everywhere. NQ acting like London High ain't the draw. demos. You got the little. Watch that. Baba, you gotta. You know you can whatchamacallit. What's it called? Clip it. Last 6 months. Oh damn. What was the? Anyways, what was the aha moment, if that makes sense? I hate reducing my risk goes with every fiber on my body, but instead of reducing risk helps me and protects your fund account. Exactly. Trading views for the demo, trading free and user friendly. Let's see. But done. Now it's hands off regardless of what happens. So moving on. Now, do I take partials? Kind of at the top. That's what I have there. That's my partials. What do you... Shoot, what did I ask? I'm so sorry. My brain gets... Hope you heal from all the things you don't talk about. Aw, that's so sweet of you, Vita. Hoping it heavy. Do you break even or adaptive TV? Diego, so I go break even when partials are taken. So when the tippy top over here is taken, I then move to break even. Yeah. I could download apps like PayPal, but I don't have a way to put funds on these accounts to fund the trading app. Do you not just use your normal card? Sorry, Henry, I'm not 100% sure. Theo, why? What's happening? Especially on funded drawdown. Yeah. Amara, I'm not even looking, so it's either gonna beep me in a happy or beep me in a sad. Leaving a runner. Nox kind of up to here, basically near the equal highs. I've left a quote-unquote runner to there. Two contracts. What do you mean, Noxy? As my come take me out. If that is the case, that's gonna be a very early day for me. Yep. Early day coming my way. More. Bruh. I've lost enough this week. I'm not even gonna lie. I've lost enough this week. I'm done. I'm done. I think the IQ is definite. More, Gobi. No more negativity.
Emotional damage.
There's a very interesting level higher, and I think you might. Oh, let's see, Hammer. We're going with it, right? We're going with it. Time for the draw. I won't be able to send the funds back to the. Oh. I don't know how it works with payouts. I'm not too sure. No, thank you. We don't want the stream to end. Oh, you guys are so funny. Oh, Nox. So, okay, the Mojo Jojo thing is a little bit of a joke, theoretically. I'll show it to you now as soon as this decides what it wants to do. But, so it's not a chart, it's more like a strategy. It's not a strategy. Is it this? No, it's not this. I keep hearing a dog barking, but it's not my dog. Huh. It's Jackie. Really brutal right now. Many of us aren't coming to our families alive yet. We are crawling to this weekend. I just started believe SMT which is a good way to lose money. Oh, because people put their stop loss and TB in almost the same spots, so the market knows when to swipe liquidity. That's interesting. That's not a strategy, but it's profitable. It's my dog, my fault. Doesn't stop barking. Yeah, here you go. Honestly, I can hear him from here. I can hear him from here. Sort it out. That's adorable though. What type of dog do you have? Pretty sure any strategy would put your stop loss at that level if you think about it. But Diego, I'm not looking. I am literally not looking. I took the Mojo Jojo on ES. Thanks, Mom. My cat can eat today. Robocop, are you joking? Did you actually? That is hilarious. And it worked? Like, solidly? Patent pending. Mojo Jojo. You heard it here first. Noxy, I can actually show you here on ES. Because this made a Mojo Jojo. NQ did not make a Mojo Jojo. So the Mojo Jojo, you know Powerpuff Girls, this is how it came about. This is why it's the Mojo Jojo. You know Powerpuff Girls are made of sugar and spice and everything nice, and then there was the added X formula. X. So the one day, as a joke, you draw it from here. Nope, that's not what I wanted. No, technically it was kind of like this. Probably like so, hey? One day as a joke, I drew this. I don't know. That one, no. This one would be here. There we go. As a joke, I drew something like that with an X, and someone was like, oh, it's like from the Powerpuff Girls. So I was like, so we're calling it the Powerpuff thing or whatever? And then, no, it became the Mojo Jojo. And basically when it broke out of the X, that was the direction you headed towards. Like I said, it was actually more of a joke, but I'm glad it's working out for some people. Damn. Noise. Those below PE range, below support and resistance level below EMA's of your app is quite similar. Please put break even, it's hurting my eyes. It's braiding. Oh gosh. Dude, I watched that 10 times, really? What the little oh, people in your chat stress even? It's risking money, yeah. Mojo Jojo! Kinda in a Mojo Jojo right now, is it? I personally use EMA 200, EMA 50, 200 cross works. Great for me. PA likes to create them. Yeah, I sent you a video. I'm so excited. I want to see. I'm gonna give a call to. Thank you, Diego. Where have you been this whole time? Honestly, if you got the number, problem solved. So not a good buy for now. Well, that's not what you want to hear. Anyways, sugar honey iced tea. What was I doing? Oh, I want to see Discord. I want to see what Bob sent. Do you know what's so funny about it, actually, Bob? Do you know what is so funny about that? Is that I didn't even realize I was doing that. I did this. I didn't even realize I was doing a little shimmy shimmy. Oh, I thought I'd shoot with choppy markets here. I want my STP, so... Oh my gosh! Oh. Okay. Okay, we can all leave now. I'm done. Bye! Oh my gosh! Green! 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 Mother fluffer! Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Bye! Oh. Diego Lux, I love it. Oh, thank you! Whoop whoop! How to learn trading? Do the opposite of me. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. That's negative. See, now it's at stop loss. I've put my full TP actually at the equal highs, the relative equal highs. Let's see. Either way, whatever happens now, green. We've got some green, people. Good actual grief. What's the balance looking like for now? 337.85. I'll mark out 337. No, thank you. What are those things? What things? What things? The candles? Maya, I hope you feel bad. Buy me a pink Bugatti and make me feel better. You know what? I'm on it. As soon as I become a millionaire. Welcome back from the trenches. Robocop? Oh my gosh. I've built some really solid SMC trading systems, but I don't have any capital. Unsaid Songs? Number one, that's a dope name, by the way. Just saying. And yes, I said dope. Because I try to be cool. Aww. OTT, it looks like it's gonna break even me. But that's okay, it's better than nothing. Green is green. I lost $40 at the casino. No, Stan! Why? My Anita, this time she may have cried on stream. You know what? It was close. It was close. Okay. A little bit of green. Ooh. Do you guys want to see Hammer's trade? Hammer, do I have permission to show your trade? Okay. Guys, out of curiosity, how would you guys react if I started to cry on stream? Like real crying. I am kind of curious. Cheers, UJ! This iPad confirmation, old school strategy always works, but avoid news days. Interesting. And that's what you do, right? Guys, I'm gonna swear in Discord. Are you guys ready? Under my trades, I'm putting a swear word because it's relevant for today. I love the shimmy. I'm just saying, I'm gonna... Oh, I feel like I need to post the shimmy. Brother Bean, what should go back up now? Oh well, it is what it is. It kind of is Mojo Jojoing. Except for that breakout there, but it clearly struggled to break above. Let's see. Not quite the rejection I want to see off of there either. Okay. Oh. Jordan, we have a little ball, but it's a ball. A ball's a ball at this point. Hey Kwon, what's up? Yeah, a little ball. What dog tray? Oh gosh. Sorry, that is the funniest thing I've read. I swear Maya and swear words. It's like a primary school child saying he buys swear to his friends and says damn. Because us men would just say they're young bad one true. That would be hilarious. Just sent a screenshot of the volume level. Thank you. Update. All right, update. I mean, it's not much improvement, but it's improvement. We're up to 340.90. Got basically $100. Anyways. What? 3, 4. $100 winning. Let's do. To be fair, $100 in South Africa is pretty decent. Okay. Is it actually Mojo Jojoing again? It kind of is, isn't it? Who's gonna trade the Mojo Jojo again? Wait, I need to make this a little bit bigger. That's what she said. Oh, I'm in a better mood now. Wonder why. Anyways. Let's see what it does on ES. Okay, potential break below. Nope. Still struggling to break below. It does look like it's pushing more for a sell though. Zine trades? Yes, I am South African. What's up? All good. Took a pre-mark. I'm just killing time now. Wow, do you know what? That's all I am. I'm just killing time for Bob. I'm a time killer. It's like being called a waste of space. Oh, a waste of air, waste of oxygen. Anyways. And send it to you. Just let me know which pair you'd like me to analyze. Unsaid songs, Nasdaq futures. We'll have a good cry, don't mind us. You missed it, but I said I would probably wake up Cara to console you. Oh, sweet man. I don't know what Cara would do though. She would just be like, $100 is 20 Big Macs menus in Portugal. Nice. Oh, damn, guys, I'm hungry. Why would you do that to me? Why would you do that, Diego? That's me. That's me. Also, Diego, can I just say, I don't know if it's the same for you. Breaking below the Mojo Jojo on ES. Don't know if it's the same for you, but I mean, I'm half Portuguese, and the amount of family members I have in Portugal are actually terrifying. I think my generation, there's 81. Do I know any of them? Not really. Cheers, Hammer. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. You're amazing. Okay, breaking below on the Mojo Jojo. Let's see if it breaks below properly. The only way this Friday gets better for you is if your sugar daddy calls tonight. I wish I had a sugar daddy. Oh my gosh, my life would be so much better. Is this real account of funded? It's funded. What's up? I mean, funded's pretty real. You can get money and payouts and stuff like that. Better than an eval. $100 is like 7 Big Macs yet. Shall we see? Okay, so $100. Let's do this. Let's math this, right? Yeah, math. It's Friday. I'm not mathing anything, but anyways, let's do. Dollars to rands. Okay, shush. So, $100 is, let's say 1,600 Rand. How much is a Big Mac? Meal or just burger? Out of curiosity. I've bet McDonald's can't buy Nasdaq. Oh, not a meal. Okay, so let's say 70 Rand. How much did I just say it was? 1.6. So, say, quite a lot of burgers, damn. I need a sugar baby. Ayo! Brightest speech. No, I'm kidding. Wait, sugar baby, wait, what? Okay, broke below, went back in though. Ooh, could this now just be it faking out? Could this be a fake out? Let's see what this does here. Okay. No, I'm kidding. Sorry. I'm a little bit sassy. I apologize for being sassy. How you doing, Don? How you doing? Dogito! How are you? How's it going? Abdo, what's up? How's everyone doing? Good trading this week? No, Dark Angel. This week has been horrific. Literally, probably one of the worst weeks. For now. No, that's negative. One of the worst weeks. Putting it out there. This is gonna be the worst week. We're done with this. Don't you take it? M&M packets I could get. That is so cute. WTF is a handle. That is so cute. No. When did you creep it? I'm gonna eat this can soon enough to see the comment. Oh, that is fun. Wait, what did Bob say? I'm getting Chick-fil-A for breakfast. Oh, that is hilarious. This is Nasdaq. It is Nasdaq. What's up? Price seems to be pushing towards 25098. That would have been nice. My runner was here at the equal highs at 045. No? Yes, it was at around 045. Oh well. I thought you just gonna do it. Cheers, Dom. Enjoy. I started doing trade at my university. I was bored and started studying. What did you study at varsity? It's on the X, people. Is it gonna work? Baked out. That wasn't ideal. That actually wouldn't have been a very good Mojo Jojo trade, but it's fine. I'm getting a Big Mac on the way to work. That made me hungry. Wait, Muddy, why are you working on the weekend? Whoop whoop. Yeah. You're fine. Engineer IT. Damn. Wait, Diego, did you respond about the Portuguese thing? Probably not. Oh, I've missed so many of your messages. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oops. Mommy, I apologize. Oh, Diego, just that. So I'm half Portuguese. Oh, there we go. On the X. On the X. On the X. That is amazing. Sorry. I get way too excited about that. Moving on. Sweet and simply. So I'm half Portuguese and like just my generation, I think there's like 81 relatives, which is insane. I don't know about you and how it is for you, but oh my gosh, it's a little excessive. Maybe we are related. At this point, I wouldn't put it past me. I even said to my parents, I was like, thank heavens we don't live in Portugal, because I wouldn't trust dating anyone, because I wouldn't trust that they're not related to me in some way. Thanks, Noxy. Oh, I have just over 1k reward points on Chick-fil-A. Oh, the tiny shimmy. My only better shimmies. So, DJ, do you know what's funny? I think what's funny is the fact that I didn't even realize I was shimmying until Bob sent the video, and I was like, what? When did I even do that? It's like what I do when I'm eating a Happy Meal and I go like, food, food, food. I do little dances if I'm eating food and I've been really hungry. That's a really good bounce off of this Bob level. That was a goodie. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, but also DJ says I have to do a better shimmy. What's a... I'm not good. This is why I'm not a dancer, people. Can I just say, I'm not a dancer for a reason? Anyways, Muddy, because I'm halfway through a dangerous world, so I kind of have to get it done before bad weather. Oh, I'm thinking that it play out, kind of biased to the king right now. I mean, unfortunately, I'm already out of this trade, unfortunately, but... Oh, it just tapped the highs. It's created a little bit of a tiny bit of an SMT. No, it created a big SMT here. This is why it dropped again. Oh, interesting. Not solidly enough, but it did drop. Okay. Midgabo, what's up? I just came across you live. Just quick question. How much does entry range when getting into trading? I'm researching for FRX. How much does entry range? What do you mean by entry range? Maybe that's a dumb question, but I don't understand the question. Sorry. Basically half there. It'll probably turn into... No, Maddie, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm trying to have more... Secondary school right now. Everyone thinks I'm crazy for doing trading and not schoolwork. None of them get how good life is when you get this. If you are part of the 5%ers, right? And it's hard. It's not easy. I think that's also... People don't understand. Long not king. Well, Don Francho, let's just be real. You could call it a king. strategy SMC or well SMC and ICT confluences, but technically it's my own strategy. I wouldn't quite call it my own because obviously it's different ideas put it into one, but yeah. I have around 7 to 8 cousins, a lot of uncles, majority work in the USA. Germany, have uncle. That's cool. Yeah, it's been working a real time to come here. That was funny as heck, and thank you. You are welcome. I got you. Clip that. I'll give a what the? Oh my word. Entry rate. Oh. Entry rate, I think, is how much you need to start. Oh, like capital, right? Dan, what's up? How you doing? I tried watching ICT, but man, he just talks. I couldn't hang. Yeah, yeah. That is the one thing. That is the one thing. And he can go on rants. Like, I'm on to talk. I can go on rants as well. But still. Oh, wow. What's going on? And when your TP finally hits, nice. Oh, damn, I look like I actually have abs there. That's a lie. I liked this camera. It made me look like I have abs. Anyways. Why is it always lying? TP at the top of the body is a lot safer. Troy? Instead of the wicks? Yeah. So what I do is I actually have... I take pot... So... Sorry, let's maybe elaborate. The trade actually looked like so. Okay. That's not correct. That's wrong. That's completely wrong. My bad. Let's try that again. Let's not lie to everyone. Trade looked like so. There we go. That's it now. So, entry here, had my confluences. It went up. I had a partial here. So this is why you see I have a tick and a circle. My circle means break even. So it was a partial. It wasn't a full TP. It was only a partial TP, but still I'm taking it. Ooh. Bob? Anyways, Sugar honey iced tea, that looks really good. Sorry. So it was a partial, and then only once it partials do I move to break even, and then it took me out of break even. And that's fine. It is what it is. Ah. Oh. Damn. There it goes. I wish my camera would add abs when I stream. Do you stream, Don Prawn? That's cool. Happy that I agree in a week because last week were... Aw, sorry, Muddy. I was 3.5 years just in demo. I'm just profitable now. This week I do 2k euros and need to use them to learn. Just not strategy, but mentally. Yeah, that's the thing. Strategy is one thing, right? Obviously, finding a strategy that works for you is one part of the part. Let's give this percentages. Would we say that finding the strategy is like 30% of trading? The backtesting or paper trading is, let's make that 50%, right? The psychology is like a 40%, and the remainder is risk management. I could have been lying completely with that. Let me know if you guys agree with that or not. I think the psychology is a lot. It's why paper trading only does so much. Paper trading only helps you in finding a strategy you like and knowing when to and how to engage. That's not it. Execute your strategy. That's it. English found it. Look at this. This is gonna go bob to bob. That wick was the boom. There it is. Sorry, I got distracted. Because the paper trading doesn't have the emotions behind it. As you can see, the emotions are a pain in the butt. Okay, but partial and break even is not a bad thing. Good grief. Moving on. Girlfriend, I'm a loser today in the red. I'm still in the red. Don't even ask me. I'm still in the red for today. I've just had one half win. Risk management, I don't agree because you could just on the other hand, hype is hard to know, as one Trump tweet is enough. So psychology has to be 50 or more, risk management is easy, it's just numbers, risk is only hard when you give yourself excuses to stay when you know you should cut. There we go. Mother fluffer. Okay, this is choppy. If it wasn't choppy, I'd be keen on this. A bit late for this. Actually, this is quite good. I got the fair value gap. 2, 3. Damn! That was too late for this one. So close to the new daily opening gap and midnight. So risk management is part of the strategy. Let's say 40% and 60% is psychology. Okay, there we go. Ban offering kids sweets and increase the kid is just not falling for it. That's just what stops her from making the trade. Paper trading is easy to say. Let's see if it works. Yeah, but that's exactly. That's why I would say it goes like this. Figure out a strategy that you think you like. Paper trade it. And back test it. Right? So maybe let's alter these a little bit. But anyways, that's part one. The difficult part of that is finding a strategy that you like. Next is then, just in my opinion, would be getting a prop room and having an eval account so that you now have the real life trading and there's a little bit more of a you gain and you lose, right? And obviously, so that helps with the psychology, but you're not gaining or losing anything real yet. But that's why you then pass the eval and then you're funded, and then it's the next step of the psychology. It's a wild ride. I got 50k today. Hey, whoop, whoop, that's amazing. Watching from there in my dream car. No emotions, but still paper. You need paper trading to see if your strategy works. Forward testing is true testing. Oh, careful. Don't let some people hear you say that, Debbie. Remember mitigation. No. It's always been break even when partial is taken. Is that, wait, no? But wait, Maddie, that's what you said. I'm confused now. Let's put money in one account and full porting an account. Doing it RR10. There you go, sure. As long as you use my code, Teach Maya, you do you. We have the change. Oh, gotta love. I thought you were saying gotta go. Sorry. Hey, I'm off to work. Aw, thanks, Tyler. The hardest part of the start is finding a strategy that works for you, but it's not the hardest part of trading. Discipline is the hardest part. Yep. Lead loader, South African. Hey yo, what's up? Finding a strat is not all that difficult, really. You just need to find a strat that works for you. Don't ban me. I don't know why I said that. OGT, what did you say? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Oh, the kid thing. No, I thought that was funny. I don't know why you're saying no bad. That was hilarious. I love that. Backtesting, you can curve it, but you can't on forward test. Contractor, what's up? How in the heck do you tag a name to respond with the comment? I've never figured it out on here. Contractor, are you on your phone? And only breaking when partial hits you. Yep. I agree with Papa Buddy. Of course you do, Tyler. Diego, do you believe in EA nerds? What's EA nerds? DJ, I'm assuming you meant work. But I'm kind of glad that it auto-corrected to a twerk for me. I'm just saying. DJ, I hope you saw that. Please say you saw that. DJ, please say you saw that. I never heard your first one. We know fairies there against as well. I mean, if we're gonna be super dark about this, aren't all dogs technically like kidnapped from their parents and then just... At least I'm a nice kidnapper. I feed him and he goes on adventures and I'm gonna get cancelled. I'm not a kidnapper. We're talking about my dog. There's no kidnapping involved. I'm just asking with regards to adopting dogs. I promise I'm a nice person. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna get me cancelled off of freaking YouTube. I'm thinking about getting a Tradeify Lightning funded 25k. Ooh! Lead load? Yeah, that's a good idea. Do it now, quickly. Sorry, that was very aggressive, but they have a 30% off all accounts that's lasting until the 28th, which is tomorrow. So that discount is no longer valid starting tomorrow. You can use my code TEACHMAYA. There's also the link in the description below, but yeah, you can use my code TEACHMAYA for that 30% off. Big hug, we see it. Thanks, Dom. Expert advisors, trading bot. That was... Oh, that was not autocorrect, no? Okay, I really do shimmy a lot. I'm sorry, guys. I call it work. So look at the market. Hell no, the market's going sideways. Diego, do you use a fib? I use my GAN box, but I guess same, right? Oh my gosh, we're all kidnapped. Like they didn't say yes, we just take them. Exactly. And Diego, you nearly put another dog in your car the other day. Yeah, true. And that one actually would have technically been stolen. The dog was out with a broken leg next to the side of the road, but that's not the point. Okay. I digress. It's Friday here in the States. Well, to be fair, contractor, it's still Friday here in South Africa. It's just Friday evening. It's, it's nearly 6 p.m. I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's been such a long week. I wasn't used to trading and I don't want to blow it. Bought it. Why don't you get, maybe, but it's expensive. True. Are you new to trading? That's interesting. How long have you been trading for? Bye, Dark Angel. Thank you for hopping on, by the way. Dog napping. There we go. You had 2 perfect trades today. Mikuava, are you talking to me right now? Are you talking to me right now? Me? In SA. Yeah. What about SA? I'm from South Africa too. No worry. What SA broker you use and trust? Well, I'm currently actually using Top One Futures. They're a little bit newer. Okay, let's run through the top 3 in my opinion. For South Africa, right? We got Top One Futures. They're new, so you know, some people are on the fence with them. Tradeify is really, really good, really well known, really well respected, and Violin. So let's go through some pros and cons. Top One Futures, cheaper per month, but there's an activation fee. Same with Violin. Cheaper per month, but there's an activation fee. The difference between the two is that Top One Futures you can trade on TradingView using Trade of 8. Violin you cannot, so you can't trade on TradingView if you use Violin. Trade of 5 is more expensive per month, but there is no activation fee, and you can also trade on TradingView. And like I said, they have a really good rep behind them. Yeah, I hope that answered a little bit. Sorry. Times change be the change. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, kind of. I mean, I have been watching trading videos for a long time, but never got into it. Look up trade, although my friend works there and has a high win rate. Interesting. Psycho, hi, what's up? How you doing? I better headbutt the pillow. Actually, great work on the green trend. One step at a time. I'll see you around. Cheers, Maddie. Check the fibs on gold. What, my GAN box on gold or the actual fibs on gold? Gamer, where have you been? Where have you been? No, I'm kidding. How you doing, Gamer? 786 is next. Let's see. Hey Jermaine,
What's up?
how you doing? I hope everyone's okay. Oh, happy Friday to everyone. I'm still in the red for today. I'm definitely in the red for the week. I'm not even going to try and sugarcoat that. It has not been a good week for me. But it is what it is, right? You're going to have some good weeks. You're going to have some bad weeks. You just got to keep on keeping on. That was a very big rejection off of that level. What's going on here? Anyways. There you go. Maybe I'm gonna trade a little bit more today. I'll be back just to help or copy trade a little. Oh, thanks. Thank you. I buy at the moment. Am I going to buy again? I might. I mean, this price action is meh. A little meh, but let's see. I got stopped out. I'm sorry. Man, you're doing good. I'm glad. Added 65 to my account this week. Hey, whoop whoop, that's amazing! For anyone that has indeed. Naz is the future, keep up the grid. Oh, thanks, Sans. How you doing? For anyone that has had green, just by the way. Anyone that has had green today, well done. Whoop whoop. Keep it up. Yeah, keep up the grind. For anyone that has not, that's had a red week, like me, there's always another trade. Just keep on going. If you have to just mitigate your loss a little bit just to help boost your confidence while you're getting through this learning streak. Not losing streak, it's a learning streak. While you're getting through this learning streak, you do what you gotta do. Hey Han, what's the current trading strategy? Sweet and simply, my trading strategy is market auction theory. So I have a GAN box, market auction theory, entry at 50%. And then I use ICT and SMC confluences to basically confirm an A+ setup or not. What's happening? You know, let me see queue inside of the screen. I'm gonna get a funded account soon. That's amazing. What prop do you trade on? Berkey dokie. The Lightning funders on Tradeify interesting to me because if you lose 1k, you lose the account. See, that's kind of scary though, isn't it? That feels pretty scary. Why wouldn't you want to rather get like a 50k select account? It's the closest. You only have to earn 2.5 to pass the eval, and you have a 2k drawdown. So I mean, it's the closest ever. It's really close. Having to earn 2.5, 2k drawdown. It's really good. And then once you have passed it, you can then I think the only problem is there is a consistency with passing the eval, but once you've passed, you can get daily payouts, which is really awesome. Just asking. I don't know if you've checked that out or not. If I'm not mistaken, it's a little bit cheaper. Oh, sorry for you. Oh, it's okay. Because it has monthly fees. That is the thing, right? The monthly fees are where they get you. Yes, can I contribute to this positive? How much did I make today? I've lost today. Dude, I'm not even gonna lie. I have not had a good week. I had 2 losing trades, 1 partial and break-even trade. And it is what it is. Is this day trading? Yes, it is. What's up? How you doing? Oh, sorry. Okay, so you're looking for just the one-time payment. Yeah, that's the thing. With the non-one-time payment, it makes it a bit tricky, hey? Have you done, like, any trading before? Well, I know you said you've done, like, some research and you've been watching and stuff, but have you, like, downloaded TradingView and done some paper trading before. What's the biggest loss and win ever? One trade. So biggest loss was probably around 300. I think I messed up my, the amount of contracts. So technically I'm only supposed to be risking 200 per trade. But I think I messed it up and I think it was actually like closer to a $300 loss. It hurt my feelings a bit, but it's fine. And my biggest win was nearly 650. Yeah, $650. I have a 1 to 2 hour strategy. It's pretty nice and simple. It does mean it's obviously a bit of a slower growth, but it is what it is. It works out. Oh, is that a bad week? Yeah. No, that's bad. But you know, at least you know you're not alone, right? It's tax enough. So you do paper trading. Okay, so do you have... Okay, cool. So do you have a strategy that works for you? It's such an up and down week. Culture me friends, one of my worst weeks ever. DJ! Hey yo! It's been a difficult week, don't worry. What brokers do you use and recommend to trade 6 figures? Well, I don't trade 6 figures, so you're gonna have to ask that to someone who knows the answer to that. Who trades 6 figures here? Hey, Price Action King, what's up? I just used Trade Algo. Trade GPT made me 6K last week. Nice! No strategy. Interesting. Okay. Okay. So you basically just have to save up money to get the Lightning funded account and then go with it, right? Why is trading significantly harder than it was last year? Life, man. Life. What's my long-term bias on gold? I haven't even looked at gold, to be fair, Lyru, so I'm not 100% sure. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna give this... Let's give this thing 5 more minutes to see if we're gonna start getting some price action that's not sad. This is sad price action. This is seek and destroy type of rubbish. So it has, give or take 5 minutes to show me that it's not doing seek and destroy. If it's going to be seek and destroy, I might call it early. It is a Friday. let's not push the bad luck I've been having this week. What do you mean, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm surviving. It was very unrealistic. 250k I put in the whole account and the trade hit. I mean, I can buy the account, but I don't want to lose it. See, this is the thing. Can't have the fear behind losing the money. It's hard. It's why... It's a problem, right? Do you have money that you do not care about losing? Let's say that. You have money you do not care about losing. Why do you choose to day trade rather than... personalities. I don't like not having control over what's going on. I like being able to get in and out of a trade while I'm here actively watching it. It's just a personality thing. Me and Gold broke up. I cheated on her with Nasdaq. DJ. Disgusting. Can't even go buy her gold to make her feel better. I'll get her back to you. Hello, what's up? How you doing? Let's play putt. I'm on my way. I'm giving it, like I said, I'm giving it a few more minutes to make sure it's not just, well, a few more minutes. No, I do care about losing it. I'm still in year 8 American school. We finished in like 2. Okay. See, that's the thing. That's the problem. So then what I would recommend you, right, just for now, I know it sucks. Keep paper trading, keep forward testing until you have money you don't care about losing, or else the emotions are always going to take over. And that's when it becomes a problem. You can't let the emotions take over when it comes to trading. Willifru, what's up? Why are you laughing out loud? Contractor, what's up? You can long to 25050. I mean, fine, hear me out. That's what I was kind of, my runner was up to here. This trade, my runner was up to, yeah, the 045 level. That is literally, that is what my trade looked like, but it took me out of partial, got me out of break even, and now it's just continuing, right? Mikuabe, that's my name. Okay, trader, I can spend all day with them, watch my stream, maybe one day you'll be a successful trader. Aw. Maybe one day. What do you mean maybe? Rude. Huh. Thanks, Muddy. Also, why are you still awake, Muddy? Price Action King, very few people on. 40, there's 50. There's 64 people on. Just saying, Price Action King. There's 64 people. Hey Gok, what's up? How you doing? Already watched the stream on Metro. No, I have not. Here we go. Muddy, you're in bed now. Good. Better than nothing. Which city do you live in? Huh? I'm KZ inside. See that? My strategy is off the charts, which doesn't know it yet. Thanks, Alex. I was just getting set up for bed. Nice. Nice. Yeah, well, let's see. One thing at a time, right? Oh, we created an SMT on E. Well, created an SMT here. This is this huge rejection going on right now. Awesome source. Come on, confirmations. Let's do this. Oh, this is just Chop Fest. We make it out of Chop Fest City. Bam, 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 bam. What's that song? That's gonna bug me. Like, obviously they don't say Chop Fest City, but they say something else. Oh, that's gonna drive me crazy. Let's see, so that would have been entry for me. I'm not pushing it with this price action that's going on right now, but this is what this would have looked like. Back up further. Meh. This does not have enough confluences, which is why it didn't take. It actually doesn't really have any decent confluences. Never mind. I would not have taken this trade, but let's just check the range. Like I said, I wouldn't have taken this trade. Price Action King, what time does my live stream start? At 9:15 EST time. There we go. I have a question on TradingView. How do you get the lines and charts in the background off? I just want the candles. Oh, click settings and you can change everything you want here. Yeah, you can make it how you want to make it. You can have your symbols, the bodies, the borders, the wicks, how you want the colors. Yeah, everything. So yeah, just right click and go into settings and you'll be able to make it your own. I do the trend lines, maybe you see something. Oh, the Mojo Jojo line? That one? You're from India? What the? You're welcome. Wait, this is TradingView? It is. What did you think this was? This is on BS. I'm turning off charts. What? Yeah. I did say I was giving it 5 more minutes, right? Portuguese and UK accent. You think I have a Portuguese accent? Alrighty, I love this price action right the second. Really? Why? Because there's actually some movement? Or why? Alex, do it. this one going up. And that. I don't know how I draw that one. See, that one broke below slightly. I don't even know how you'd want them to look. To be fair, Alex. She's got the wild pigeon accent. No shot, you have a Portuguese accent. Thank you! I was about to say, no. Hey, Blondie, this is Nasdaq. Yes, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How you doing? Okay. Yep. I'm probably going to then call it there for today with my little partial in the red for this damn week. Wow, it's been a bad week. I'm not even gonna lie, it's been a rough week, but it's okay. It's okay. Bad weeks happen. All we can do is we're gonna go take the weekend, backtest, go touch some grass. For those of you that don't know what touch grass means, it basically means get away from the charts for a little bit, go do something else, let your brain have a bit of a breather, go into nature, don't stare at a screen, you know, that type of vibe. So, I mean, I have a horse show tomorrow, so that's gonna be cool, so that's okay. So I'll have my horse show tomorrow, go touch some grass, do a little bit of back testing, then probably go, well, weather dependent, go surf again. Whoosh. Anyways, but yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there, like a duck, what that? You hate nature, what's wrong with you, Mika Wabe? Anyways, but then yes, I am going to then call it there because this price action, yeah, just, no thanks, it's fine. It's been a long week. I'm calling it. I'm going to hop on Discord. We're going to go play some putt-putt. Just 1 or 2 rounds of putt-putt just to start the week off right. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Please don't forget to press that like button. If you want to show more love and support, my affiliate code is TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. You can check out all the props I'm affiliated with in the description below. There's links and you can go check out the awesome discounts currently happening. And I think there was one more thing, but I forgot what it was. Yeah, I forgot what it was, but that's okay. Press that like button, support by using my code TeachMaya. Oh, Discord. There is a Discord. If you guys want to hop into the Discord, more than welcome to. Be aware there is a scammer. If you want to know it's not a scammer, ask for a one-on-one call with me. I'll happily say yes. A scammer will not. And a scammer will give you a phone number. I will never give you my phone number. Okay, bye. Love you. Bye.